So where are we going?
We're going shopping.
Shopping?
Huh?
Who's paying?
Huh?
Who's paying?
Me.
You go, girl. Independent woman. New age woman. Who you buying stuff for? And what exactly are you buying? Are you buying food or are you buying clothes?
We're buying clothes.
Oh, you're buying food. Okay.
And I'm buying clothes.
That's my girl.
Are you living on me? I get the guy, then you get the taxi.
Okay, now who's paying for the taxi ride? Him? You go, girl. Your mama trained you well. I knew you had a high IQ.